welcome to our closing time video on Halloween. In room 101, we have Coco, who is a very friendly dog. Room 102, in room 102 we have Tango. Tango is a very gentle dog. Tango, room 102. Room 103, we have Welsh. Welsh is a corgi. Welsh in room 103. In room 104 we have Camille. Camille is a very sweet little girl. Camille. Room 105. In room 105 we have Dutch. Dutch is an energetic boy. Dutch. Room 106. In room 106 we have Mocha. Partially housebroken. Mocha. Room 107. In room 107 we have Harley. Harley is a very active girl. Harley. Room 108. We have Greta. Greta is a very quiet, gentle girl, as you can see. Greta in room 108. Room 109. 109 we have Cher. Cher is a very loving dog. Cher. Room 110. In room 110 we have Scooby. Scooby is a very gentle boy. Scooby in room 110. Room 111. In room 111 we have Dixie. Dixie loves to give kisses. Dixie. Room 112. In room 112 we have Savannah. Savannah is a very active girl. Savannah. In room 113, we have Tater Tot. Tater Tot in room 113. Room 114, we have Cleo. Cleo is a cute gray bundle of energy. Cleo. Room 115, we have Gigi. Gigi, very friendly little girl. Gigi. Room 116, we have Garcia. Garcia is a very calm boy. Garcia. In room 118, we have Rama. Rama is a very quiet girl. Rama. Room 123, we have Sapphire. Sapphire. Room 124, we have Milo. Milo is a very sweet boy. He knows how to sit and shake. Milo. Marcy's out for a walk, but Marcy's in 125. And in 126, we have Polly. Polly, very sweet little girl. Polly, looking for her forever home. Polly. 127, room 127, we have Vito. Vito is a very smart boy. Vito. In room 128, we have puppies. Room 129, we have Boggs. Boggs is a very active dog. Boggs. Room 131, we have Thunder. Thunder. Room 132, we have Jade. Little female Dobie mix. Jade in room 132. Over here in room 134, we have Einstein. Einstein's a very sweet, loving dog. Went to the Blessing of the Pets in Dunedin a couple weeks ago. Einstein, looking for his forever home. Very nice dog. That concludes our closing video for Halloween, October 31st, 2013.